Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another affordable wig, okay? And I know you guys absolutely love these videos, and I do too. These are my faves too. So I really want to start busting them out because the holidays are coming up. And I understand that people are getting gifts. Just a lot going on, and nobody want to spend a whole bunch of money on no hair, okay? Most of us just want to go to the beauty supply store and buy some hair. All right, so you know what I'm saying, pack hair me please. But this is another affordable wig from Sam's Beauty, okay? So this is what the wig looks like, and it kind of fell out the packaging when I was fooling with it, but this is what she looks like, and I'm so super excited. Try not to make it glare, but I'm so super excited because this looks so freaking pretty. So let's go over the specs. This is by Sensational. I feel like Sensational's wigs are just unmatched, okay? So it's a textured lace wigs. It's by Curls and Kinks Company. So it's a 3B to 4C type of hair texture is what it's saying, and I got it in 1B, and I'm guessing Angel Face is the name. Yes, so Angel Face is the name of this wig. Don't fret or anything. I will have all the specs down below, so all you have to do is like click down below, hit that link, and you'll see this wig, okay? So I'm gonna get it out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it's packaged up all nicely. So let me get it all out the packaging and out the package. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the unit. Okay, I'm trying to flip it on the inside. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. Very nicely constructed, as you guys can see. So here is the part that you get with the lace, and you just only get that part, so you can't part it anywhere or anything. But for the price, I don't think that's bad at all. And you also get like some lace around like the frontal area, okay? So you do get a comb here, and you get 2 combs on the side, and your cap is also adjustable, okay? So let me show you guys kind of what it looks like. This baby is thick. Okay, this wig is super thick, so they weren't definitely not showing the hair. So I'm hoping you guys can kind of see the texture of this wig. This wig is giving like major texture, and I'm so excited to actually put it on. Like, I can't even hold my excitement. I'm that excited to actually put this wig on, y'all. Hey guys, so this is the wig. I really didn't do a whole lot of styling or anything. The only thing I did was pretty much I took it out of the box, I cut the lace off, and I'm just kind of playing with the layers that's in it. As you guys can see, it has big beautiful layers. Like, whoever cut this did such an amazing job, and this wig is super thick. Oh my goodness, this wig is super thick. But look at the, hold on, can we just can we appreciate the layers in the curls that come in with this unit? And I'm pretty sure that, you know, to preserve your curls, well, what I used to do is I would take like flexi rods, and I would just put them in my synthetic wigs, and I would just put my synthetic wigs like on a mannequin head, and it would do really well at preserving my curls, okay? You could also use like little foam curlers or things like that, but this is like popping. It's so pretty, and the thing that I like about it the most is that it's textured. I think that's what I'm just really feeling, because it's not just silky and it doesn't just look like super fake or whatever. It's textured, so it looks like my hair blown out Like, OMG, I'm feeling it, okay? And it's pretty long. Guys, I'm 5'7", and it's coming underneath my boobs, okay? Like, I can really see me wearing this to, like, a New Year's, like, dinner, or I don't know, girl, Christmas in the living room. I don't know, girl, but this is it. Like a photo shoot, just something quick, something easy, and it looks so real. And I even laid baby hairs, y'all. Like, it came with like some little sparse hairs, and I laid a few baby hairs because y'all know I'm like a baby hair queen. Like, I love baby hair. I can't do anything without baby hair. But yeah, I can't even keep my hands out of this wig. Like, it's a popping. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. I will have the specs down below, so make sure you guys check it out, especially for these holidays, okay? I just feel like this is a nice wig to just keep around. You know, if you go on a trip, let's say you just go out of town really quick, or you want to run to, I don't know, to the boat, or I don't know, to a party, or photo shoot. Girl, I don't know, but I'm feeling myself. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I really am. So let's go through a couple quick specs, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. I didn't want it to be really, really long. I just wanted to bring you all a popping affordable wig, okay? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are loving these affordable wig hauls, okay? So here is the specs of the unit. Let me let it focus a little bit, and this is what she's looking like. So she does come in quite a bit of colors, so let me show y'all. This would be so pretty, like in that color or that color. So you do have a wide variety. They even have 613. They have honey, blonde, and all that, okay? So you don't just have to get a natural color. Me, I just love my natural colors. I don't know, it's just me. One day I'll step out of my box and do something different, but I'm feeling it, especially the big fluffy like layers, child. Oh, I feel like I'm just gonna put on a suit and walk into somebody's office, and I don't even work in the office. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Make sure you check out the links down below for all the specs and all that jazz. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys. More affordable house on the way. Bye.